This video was made at the special request of the Finding Frankie team. Finding Frankie is a unique upcoming horror game coming out on Steam with a unique twist.
Parkour!
And while you're here, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, let's bring Frankie to life. I have a confession.
You done messed up, Aaron!
I made the wrong face. And with that being said, do not be afraid to admit your mistakes. And it's very similar to the same process that you just watched, but I changed the shape of the mouth to get the right shape of the head this time. And without delay, let's get back to the video. we made, and he is done. My version of Frankie from Finding Frankie is complete. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Until then, on to his glamour shots. And if you made it this far, I have a really cool playlist right here and another video you can watch right here. Have a good one.